Hello everyone. Let's get started with Python lecture 3 basic plus advanced. Firstly, we discuss how do we write a script or program. Everyone knows computer is not intelligent. It cannot analyze a problem and come up with a solution. A human, the programmer, must analyze the problem, develop the instruction for solving the problem and that have the computer carry out the instructions. To write a program for a computer to follow, we must go through a two-phase process. Number one, problem-solving phase. Number two, implementation phase. Now coming to the process of problem-solving phase and implementation phase. The first step of the problem-solving phase is analysis and specification. Work for understand the problem and what the solution must do. The second step is general solution algorithm. Work on which specify the required data types and the logical sequence of steps that solve the problem of problem solving. And the last process of problem solving is verify. Verify follow the step exactly to see if the solution really does solve the problem. Now next phase is implementation phase. In implementation phase, the first step is concrete solution. Concrete solution is program that translate the algorithm, the general solution into a programming language. And the second last process of implementation phase is test. In the test process, manually check the result. If you find error, analyze the program and the algorithm to determine the source of the errors and then make corrections. Once a program has been written, it enters last phase. Last phase is maintenance. In maintenance phase, use the program. Modify the program and to meet changing requirements or to correct any errors that show while using it. In development tools, programmers have a variety of tools available to enhance the software. Development process, some common tools include editor, compilers, interpreter, debugger, profilers. Two ways to run Python script. Directly interactive shell, since it does not provide a way to save the code you enter. The interactive shell is not the best tool for writing larger program. The ideal interactive shell is useful for experimenting with small snips of Python code or IDLE editor to save script and run. You can save your program with using the save option in the file menu. Many developers use integrated development environment IDEs. IDLE is very simple IDE for Python. This is directly IDLE interaction shell example. Print material network. Print is the function where material network is a string passed an argument. Next, material is a variable and the argument is network. Variable are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. When you call meteor variable, it displays network because network is an argument. Basic. The second way, use ideal editor to save script and run save script. Example. Just look at the example. Save the script and run. Now basic check your Python version. Open Python shell and write this command on Python shell. Import sys. Sys is for system. Print sys.version. Types and operation. Introducing Python object types, numeric types, the dynamic typing interlude, string fundamentals, list and dictionaries, tuple files, and everything else. In this lecture, we will discuss introducing Python objects. We do things with stuffs. Things are operation like addition, subtraction, concatenations, and stuff refers to the object on which we perform those operations like addition and subtraction. What is object? Python data takes the form of object, either built-in objects creating using Python classes. Objects are essentially just piece of memory with values and set of associated operations. Everything is an object in a Python script. Even simple numbers qualify with values, and spotted operation, addition, subtraction, and so on. The Python ladder hierarchy. Python programs can be decomposed, modules, objects, and expressions. Like program are composed of modules, contain statements, contain expressions, create and process objects. In Python, we have built-in objects. Built-in objects are standard part of the language. Built-in objects make program easy to write. Built-in objects are often more efficient than custom data structures. Built-in objects are component of extensions. Built-in objects like numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, files, sets, other code types, boolean types, none. Number examples. If you have done any programming or scripting in the past, some of the objects types will probably seem familiar. Even if you haven't, numbers are fairly straightforward. Python core objects include the user suspects, integers that have no fractional part, floating point numbers that do, and more exotic types, complex numbers and imaginary parts, decimal with fixed precision, rationals with numerator and denominator. Numeric quantities from your age to your bank balance, but more types are available as third parties. Plus sign perform addition, a star is used for multiplication and 2 stars are used for exponentials. Besides expression, there are a handful of useful numeric modules that ship with Python. Modules are just packages of additional tools that we import to use. Import math, math.py, math.sqrt. Although it offers some fancier options, Python basic number types are well basic. Number in Python support the normal mathematical operations. Remaining part follow next lecture. Strings. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.